Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect TradingView to Binance. So in order to do that, you can head over first to tradingview.com and click on Get Started right here in our design in or sign up to your actual TradingView account. Click on the sign up right here in order to sign up and then just head over and then enter your credentials in all using Google, LinkedIn as well as Apple. Once you have signed up, next thing to do is to just head over and then open the TradingView interface and look at the trading panel. Then from there, you can through the list of available brokers, select Binance and just click on Sale Broker if you can't find it. Now click on Connect from there and then you will be redirected to the Binance login page. Just enter your Binance credentials and log in and then authorize access in order to actually access your Binance account through the TradingView. Now from there, start trading. This is how you connect TradingView to Binance. Hope we helped.